X-rays are a type of electromagnetic radiation with high energy and short wavelengths. They are 1. High energy radiation. X-rays have energies between 100 electron volts to 100 kilo electron volts to kilo electron volts, for diagnosis purpose and for treatment energy in range of megavoltage, example 6 megavolts, 10 megavolts, 15 megavolts etc. 2. Short wavelengths. X-rays have wavelengths between 0.01 to 10 nanometer, shorter than visible light. 3. Ionizing radiation. X-rays can ionize atoms, removing tightly bound electrons and creating charged particles. 4. Penetrating radiation. X-rays can pass through various materials, including soft tissues, but are absorbed by denser materials like bone and metal. X-rays were discovered by Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen in 1895, and their unique properties make them valuable for various applications. X-ray production involves two main processes, Bremsstrahlung and characteristic X-rays. Bremsstrahlung, braking, radiation. 1. Electron acceleration. High-energy electrons are accelerated towards the target material. 2. Deceleration. Electrons rapidly decelerate upon colliding with the target, releasing excess energy as X-rays. 3. Continuous spectrum. Bremsstrahlung produces a continuous range of X-ray energies, with no discrete peaks. 4. Dependent on voltage. Higher voltages produce higher energy X-rays. Characteristic X-rays. 1. Electron ejection. High-energy electrons eject inner shell electrons from the target material. 2. Orbital transitions. Outer shell electrons fill the inner shell vacancies, releasing excess energy as X-rays. 3. Discrete spectrum. Characteristic X-rays produce discrete peaks at specific energies, corresponding to the target material's atomic structure. 4. Dependent on target material. Different materials produce distinct characteristic X-ray spectra. In summary, Bremsstrahlung produces a continuous range of X-ray energies through electron deceleration, while characteristic X-rays produce discrete peaks through electron orbital transitions, dependent on the target material's atomic structure. X-rays are used in 1. Medical imaging, radiography, CT scans, mammography, and fluoroscopy to visualize internal structures, and also in treatment as linear accelerator machine. 2. Industrial inspection, non-destructive testing of materials and welds. 3. Security screening, airport baggage and cargo screening. 4. Scientific research, materials analysis, crystallography, and astronomy.